Age,
Your
man.
Your grip is off.
Look at my age. I'm 55, dude.
It's experience.
Oh my god.
Come on, Eric, let's go.
Come on, Eric. Come on, strong. Press.
9,
Good.
Good.
Press.
10.
Good. Get
Give me
50.
10 more. 10.
Up.
9. 8.
Good.
No, it's not the weight, it's just the balance.
7.
Good. Strong, Eric.
6. 4. Come on, 4 reps.
I don't know, I got so much.
up.
I want to jump in so much.
4. 3.
Good.
2.